and today I am here at this amazing project which is called as the ANP Autograph. In this video, I will talk to you about the complete project overview, the location, the amenities, the carpet areas, the pricing, and also the booking process, offers and discounts. So let's start with the project overview. First things first, that the project is called as ANP Autograph and it is in a total land parcel of approximately 4.5 acres, wherein there are going to be 4 towers which will have ground plus 6 floors of parking and plus amenities floor, और उसके ऊपर आएंगे आपके 35 floors of premium 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments. And now let me tell you where exactly the project is located. The project is located right next to Blue Water Hotel on Aund BRTS Road and has amazing connectivity with all the highways as well. Now, as I told you, there are going to be 35 floors of premium apartments and 1 complete floor above the 6th level parking, which is going to be dedicated to amenities. I want you to take a closer look at the amenities right behind me. There are going to be multiple amenities like the play area, toddlers play area, that is indoor game zone, spa and sauna, infinity edge pool deck, library, store, co-working space, senior citizens court, gym, cardio, yoga, fitness studio, and a lot more. Along with that, the carpet areas of these houses are also amazing. The 2 BHK starts from 846 square feet and the price begins from 93.25 lakhs. The 3 BHK start from 1108 square feet and starts from 1.35 crore onwards. The 3 BHK signature starts from 1247 square feet and the price range is 1.5 crore onwards. And the 4 BHKs is of 1777 square feet and the price range is of 2.2 crore onwards. And now let me tell you a little about the booking process. For the booking amount is of 5 lakh rupees, with which you can come over here and select your favorite apartment. Now they also have a sample flat which is of the 3 BHK signature, which is of 1247 square feet. जो देखने के लिए आप बने रहिए हमारे साथ. And today we are here at ANP Autograph and I'm going to show you their sample flat from inside. This is what the project 3D model looks like and I'm going to show you their 3 BHK from inside. Let's go inside the apartment. Before I take you inside the apartment, let me tell you about something that's outside, and that is the video door phone right over here for your safety and security, and also this digital door lock which enhances the privacy and security because it can be operated with your fingerprint, with a numerical key and also a digital and a physical key. Now this is your lobby area which I extremely love because इसकी वजह से आपके घर में direct access नहीं मिलता है. So this is the lobby which is of approximately 4.11 by 7.11 square feet. As I told you that this apartment is of 1247 square feet and is a signature apartment. Why is it so? Let's go inside and take a look at it. Now here is your grand living space which comes with your dining area in an L-shaped, लेकिन उससे कहीं ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है आपकी balcony. And this over here is the balcony. Let's go and take a closer look at it. Right over here is the balcony. Now the balcony is of approximately 6.6 by 14.2 square feet and it comes covered from 3 sides. Along with that, on one side you will get this toughened glass railing with a stainless steel frame, and also the flooring has been given wooden finished ceramic tiles which are anti-skid and have a longer life and they do not get damaged because of the rains as well. Let's go and take a look inside again. From the living towards the dining and from the dining towards the kitchen. The kitchen is of approximately 11 by 8.9 square feet and it comes with these 2 oppositely placed granite slabs for your workstation. And this over here straight is your dry balcony area which is of approximately 5 by 8.9 square feet. It comes with these anti-skid tiles on the walls and the flooring and is covered from 3 sides. Now if you also notice, this is a pretty big space which can actually have your washing machine, your dishwasher and still a sink wherein you can have your work table over here as well. This is a pretty big utility area which is something that is not there in every household, and also they have provided a switch over here for your washing machines. Now let's proceed towards the rest of the house. Once we come over here into the common area, the first thing is the study and then the common washroom. So let's first take a look at the powder room. The powder room is of approximately 5 by 4.5 square feet, comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and the CP sanitary fittings as well. Now this study area or a bedroom, as you can convert it because they've kept it open and it is customizable. The size of this one is of approximately 11.6 by 10 square feet. And it also comes with an attached washroom despite having the powder washroom right in front of it. This is the attached washroom, which is of approximately 8.1 by 4.11 square feet. It comes with these anti-skid tiles on the floor and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles as well, and the CP sanitary fittings and a glass shower cubicle. Now what else does this bedroom come with? It comes with a large size window over here. Now if you notice, the height of the window in itself is of approximately 10 feet, and उसमें से इतना पार्ट जो है आपका, जो कि approximately 5-5.5 फुट का, which comes as a toughened glass, and this part over here can be opened with a sliding window. Now because of this, there's going to be great ventilation and also some amazing light that's going to enter the room. I want you to see the complete window size right over here. It is almost wall to wall, which is a pretty big window. Now let's move into the rest of the rooms. Right opposite the entry of your first bedroom is the next bedroom. Now this one over here is of approximately 11 by 13.6 square feet. And what I absolutely loved about this room is the coffee bay. Now the coffee bay is of another 8 by 2.11 square feet. See, of course, this area can be utilized for your wardrobes if you want, but this is a coffee bay, and the reason of it is that they have provided a cross window. Now if you can't see it, wait for me, I'm just gonna show it to you. Right over here is this window, the similar pattern that we saw in the previous room, and here is your cross window. Now because of this part, and along with that even this part over here, which is open, so this whole patch becomes an open patch with complete glass fixtures, because of which you can enjoy the view. You can get some amazing ventilation, and this patch becomes your own private evening coffee time. Now here is also an attached washroom with this bedroom, which has the size of this is 8 by 5 square feet, comes with a glass shower cubicle, anti-skid flooring and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and the CP sanitary fittings, of course, are part of the standard flat furnishings. Now you remember I told you this is a 3 BHK signature, so you can already see the signature aspects of it. Come and let's check out the next bedroom of the house. This one is of approximately 11 by 13.6 square feet again, which is the same size of the previous master bedroom that we saw. And again, it comes with this really big size window, which again, half of it is fixed and half of it is a sliding window. Now, the advantage of this one as compared to the first bedroom that we saw is कि उसका bed आपका window start हो रहा था करीब यहाँ से. And this window over here is right from wall to wall. Let's take a closer look at it. And along with that, there is an attached washroom to it. So this being a signature apartment, as I told you earlier, every bedroom comes with a washroom. Right over here is the attached toilet and wash, which is of approximately 8 by 5 square feet, comes with wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, a glass shower cubicle, and also anti-skid tiles on the flooring. And now it's time to know the booking process. Well, for the booking, you have to pay an amount of 5 lakhs, which will help you book one of the apartments over here. लेकिन उसके लिए या उसके पहले या उसके बाद आपको exactly क्या करना है, ये जानने के लिए बने रहिए मेरे साथ. I'm just about to tell you. Now that you know everything about this particular place, I'm sure you want to know कि booking कैसे करनी है, क्या करना है exactly. उससे पहले let me tell you a little about Property Cloud. Well, as I told you earlier that this is a PropTech service जहाँ पे हम करवाते हैं आपके लिए virtual ऑफिशियल साइट टूर्स। उसी के साथ साथ प्रॉपर्टी क्लाउड कनेक्ट्स यू डायरेक्टली विद द डेवलपर, thereby not only giving you the bottom most price but also a completely zero brokerage policy because there are no middlemen involved. Along with that, we also help you with doing physical site visits and that too with an absolutely free pickup and drop service. So basically आपको करना ये है कि आप देखिए यहाँ पर आपके फेवरेट प्रोजेक्ट्स, उसमें से आप कीजिए कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स शॉर्टलिस्ट, जिसके बेसिस पर हम आपको लेकर जाएंगे टू गो एंड सी दोज प्रोजेक्ट्स इन अ कैब, दैट टू एब्सोल्युटली फ्री पिकअप and drop service. After that, once you have finalized the property and you want to go ahead with the booking, all you need to do is just contact our salesperson once again, and then we will give you the best prices in the market, the best spot payment options and the best discounts that you can ever get. Now इस सब के लिए आपको क्या करना है exactly बता रही हूँ। नीचे captions में दिया हुआ है एक लिंक जिस पे आपको करना है क्लिक, जिसके बेसिस पे you will get in touch with us and we will guide you into buying your dream project with amazing ease and also hassle-free, brokerage-free. Well, it's not just that we are present only in Pune. Property Cloud is present across the globe and also in multiple cities in India also. तो पहले तो ग्लोब की बात कर ले, we are present in UAE, Canada, Singapore, USA and many other countries. And India में तो we are present in all top-notch cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Nagpur, Kolkata and so many more. तो अगर आपको खरीदना है आपका घर, आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ करना है नीचे कैप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर क्लिक, और उसी के साथ साथ डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल, ताकि मेरे यानी एकता कपूर के साथ आप देख सकें आपके ड्रीम होम्स राइट एट द कंफर्ट ऑफ योर हाउस. थैंक यू.